let's do the unboxing what I got for my birthday. Welcome to my channel. Nakikita niyo ba ang mga nasa likod ko ang nakapaligid sa akin ngayon? Yes, for today's video, mag-unboxing po tayo what I got for my birthday last July 26. At alam niyo naman po mga ka-blooms that I always share special moments and things in my life always po sa inyo. And if you are new to my channel, I'm Pam De Torres, a mompreneur, an engineer and skincare specialist. In my channel, I share about family, business, travels, health and skincare, also do reviews and tips, and helping others. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that bell. And click all so that you will be notified sa ating mga bagong uploads. So samahan niyo na ako ngayon. Let's do the unboxing what I got for my birthday. Gifts po, tanggap ko, yung iba na-open ko na, nakain na namin, yung iba nagamit ko na. So, yun po mga nandito, share ko po ito sa inyo, ano ba itong mga nandito pa, hindi ko pa nabuksan. Before natin buksan lahat ito, I would like of course to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for adding another year in my life. And syempre to my family, my husband, my boys, my mother, and my loved ones. And of course, my team Blumosa, ang aking staff and nurses of Blumosa Beauty Center. Sa ating CHBC families, thank you very, very much to all of you. To all my friends and loved ones who gave their greetings. Of course, to all of you mga ka-blooms, thank you for all the greetings and continuous support sa ating Blumosa online programa. And of course, to my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for always watching, liking, and sharing all my videos. Now, umpisa natin dito sa likod ko. Ayan. Actually, these are from our CHBC families. They gave this per department. Kaya I really made a video for this to show you CHBC family how I really appreciate what you did. Okay, this is from I Love Jesus. Okay? Ayan, ang cute. Look. Oh, ang cute ng drawing, diba? Tapos, pag open mo na gano'n, oh, ayan. May mga dedication from Justin. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ka. Aldrich Halia. Happy birthday din kay Jillian, Yats, Miel, Angelo, Nathan, and Erich. Faith Erich. Ayan. Thank you very much. I think kasama itong sunflower, very nice sunflower na ito. Fresh sunflower. Okay, if I'm not mistaken ha, so I think kasama yan. Ayan, thank you very much, kids department natin. Natutuwa ako sa kanila. I'm really happy whenever I see them sa church, no, na nagla-line up doon. By the way, soon I will have a surprise gift for all our CHBC kids. Nice flower, tingnan nyo naman, no? This is flower na made of paper, and ang cute. Okay to, tamang-tama, pang matagalan talaga to. This is from Destiny class, sa mga single men. Thank you very much. Okay, this one, very cute, from Clady and Kelly. To Ma'am Pam, God bless po. Oh, ang cute. Isa sa favorite kong color pink ha. I cannot outgrow enjoying stuffed toys, diba? Kahit matanda ka na. Parang iba, pag nakakita ka ng stuffed toys, ibang-iba yung feeling mo, diba? This jug Correct me if I'm wrong. Wala kasing nakasulat, so comment down below kung mali po ako. Natatandaan ko, Pathfinders. Ito galing, if I'm not mistaken. Nice job. Ayan. Oh, yung cute! Ang cute ng kulay! Oh. Ito. Ayan. And then, oh. Uy, tama-tama to ha. Kailangan ko to. Kasi I always want to teach myself to always drink water. Tamad kasi kung uminom na to. This is from New Journey. Ang ganda. Very nice. At kasama to sa New Journey. Tama-tama. Naku, kailangan ko to. Dahil nga work from home ako, very useful yung mga ganito. Patungan, ano siya? Wireless charger. LED lamp pa. Tapos, you could put your cell phone. I always do my business transactions using my cell phone. Ano natin? Tama? So, patong yung cellphone mo. Tapos, uy, pwedeng speaker, pwedeng charger. Or, thank you. Very useful. Lamp pa siya. May LED lamp. I love plants. I love flowers. It really relaxes me. Kaya, nako, thank you very much for this. No, may nakalagay pa happy birthday. Ano bang tawag dito sa plant na to? Is it color yellow? One of my favorite color yellow. Is this tulip or what? Or ano? Comment down below. Hindi mo ito yung mga tawag sa mga flowers eh. Para siyang tulip or dahlia or ano. Thank you very much sa lip, sa ating mga lip ladies. Isa pa dito, the same flower, violet na pink na nagpipink na violet. Kasi meron na naman akong aalagaan. Plantita. Yan. Ito sa likod ko. Let's see. This is from Crossroad and Seekers Ladies. Natin. Oh, okay, let's see. Ano pa? Meron pa sa loob. Tingnan natin. Uy! Unahin natin ito isa. Whoa! Victoria's Secret. Oh, you know, isa sa favorite ko to. Victoria's Secret Bath and Body. Amuyin natin. Ang bango. Decadent. Wow, ang bango niya. This is lotion. Body lotion. Another one. Oh! Tingnan nyo. Oh, is this a painting? Wow! Happy birthday, Sister Pam. A simple gift of appreciation to a lovely woman from Crossroad and Seekers Ladies. Oh, look at that. One of my picture. Wow! Tingnan nyo. Nagre-reflect lang po. Sorry. Ay, nako naman. I will display ko to sa aking office table. And this one is from Destiny Ladies. Wow. Oy. Ay, nako. Alam na alam niyo mga favorite ko, ha? Ferrero Rocher. My favorite chocolate. Ay, galing kay Sister Jerica and Jason Alejo. Oh, bag. Wow. From EEG. Sa EEG store siya galing. Alam niyo, tama-tama yung ganitong bag sa akin kasi nga, hindi siya sobrang laki, hindi naman siya sobrang liit. Tama-tama lang na ilagay yung mga from everyday na gamit. Pwede siyang sling bag. Before the pandemic, yung mga bag ko, mga usually mga lalaki, tapos tibit-bit. Nag-pandemic na, para less na yung hinahawakan ko, more on body bag na lang ako. Para wala akong hawak-hawak na bit-bit-bit na ganyan. Para less ang hand contact. So, tamang-tama to, body bag. O, diba? Let's go! Wow! Ito ay galing sa mga full-time staff. Galing sa mga ampon namin. Ay, ano pa, talagang handcrafted yung kanilang dedication. Saan ka pa? Kami, Pam! Happy birthday po! Thanks for everything. We love you. God bless you more. Tingnan natin. Oy! Bathrobe! Yan. Tamang-tama. Uy! Flower vase. Mahilig kasi ako sa flower. Kaya, okay to. Oh, pang yoga. Oh, mag-yoga daw ako. So, nakaposition na ako ng yoga. Secret Seekers, no? Seekers, galing sa Seekers. Binigyan nila ako ng chocolates, dalawang ganito, dalawang box. Yung isa ay nakain na. Okay. Ayan, ito nga bukas na eh. Kain tayo isa. Ayokong hawakan kasi madumi pa yung kamay ko. So, and itong nakikita nyo na bouquet ng flower na to na napakaganda. This is, bango. This is from Hobby and our CHBC family. Yung morning, yung Sunday morning, ito yung unang binigay nila sa akin. Plus, itong gift na to. Pam, happy birthday from CHBC family. Open natin. They ordered it from Eros Flower Shop. Our good friend, Eros San Juan. Hello! Shoutout sa'yo. One of our Blumosa din yan, our dear client. You could visit their shop here at Balibago, near Walter Mart. Open na natin ito. Let's go, mamalengke na tayo. Bayong. May pabayong na nagaganap. Oh, from Camiseta. Wow. Ang Camiseta po kasi, meron silang ganito na fee. Diba? At meron pa. Uy! Wow! Merong additional si Hobby na nakasama dito. Okay, sabi dito, loving you is easy. It's being away from you that's difficult. Aww. Wow naman. Babe, a blessed happy birthday, Shell. Love you. Thank you, babe. Ayan, this is from Hobby and our CHBC family. Because my hubby is the pastor of CHBC. Okay? So, ayan. Wow. Let's see. Uy, ang ganda. I like the blouse. Small. Tama ang size. At ang skirt. Oh, look at that. Very nice skirt. Very... Ang mahal! Price. Thank you. I love the turn. Meron pang free na bayong at meron pang kasingit si Hobby na bookmark. I will put this in my Bible. Balik na natin sa ating bayong at mamamalengke na tayo. Alam niyo, yung kit nito, pwede kong gamitin na on the go na mga lagayan ng mga anik-anik. Meron pang mga personalized na binigay, na ginawa ang ating mga CHBC, mga kids natin. Aldrich Halia. Ayan. Oh, walang nakasulat. Okay, happy birthday, Ma'am Pam! Ayan o, from one of our kids also. So, cute na mga drawing-drawing nila. So, you know who you are. Ayan, happy birthday, Ma'am Pam! Thank you, Ma'am Pam, sa pag-aalaga kay Pastor. Wow, God bless you. Thank you. Love you po. Thank you, love you too. Another one. Ayan, no, from Clyde Aliejo. Jillian, ayan o. Kay Jillian. Nakakatawa yung ating mga bata. Oh, di ba? From Miel Diaz. Thank you. Ganda. Oh, may drawing pa talaga. From Miel also. Ayan o. Oh, dalawa. From Faith Erich Halia. Ayan. Ayan, lagi nanonood ng ating YouTube videos. Oh, naka-envelope pa. Naka-ano, oh. Tignan natin. Okay. Dear Ate Charo. Ay, hindi. Thank you. Napaka-creative naman. O, talaga naman. Ginawan pa niya ng envelope, special envelope. Thank you sa ating mga CHBC kids. From the start, lahat ng mga natatanggap ko ng mga ganito, katago lahat to. If you could remember one of my vlog na pinakita ko doon yung aking mga nakatagong gamit. Nakatago po yung mga cards and all, kasama yung mga ganito. You know what? I treasure it because pag matanda na ako, matanda na kami, we have things to remember, people that love us and remember us. And of course, finally, ang galing sa aking family. They are my treasure. This is from my bunso, Nathan. Happy birthday, Mommy. Always praying for your protection and prosperity. I love you po. Aww. Thank you, bunso. Love you. Wow. Uy. Oh, blouse. Diba? Loose na blouse. Oy, small siya, pero, oy, sarap isuot nito, ah. Sarap sa katawan. And, this one is from my eldest son, Maron. Nice one! Aww. From Maron. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, hubby. Boy. See? Wow. Ay, cute. Oh, ang cute to. Oh. Denim. Denim na Guess. Alam niyo, most of my bags are Guess. Meron siyang extra. Meron siyang extra bag sa loob. Tapos na, natatak. Thank you, babe. Meron na Nathan. Thank you for my 3 boys. I love you 3. Alam niyo po, for you to just remember me on my birthday and your birthday greetings, I'm really already thankful for that, and how much more na naalala niyo pa ako na by making effort na magbigay ng mga gifts. Thank you very much for all the love. Mwah! Till our next video. Bye!